So, Emily Carter Manchester is basically an online fashion store offering clothing and accessories with a boutique-style presentation. The products can look really appealing in the photos, but there are a few things I'd check before placing an order. The biggest question is whether the quality actually matches the website. With lesser-known fashion stores, materials, sizing, and overall quality can sometimes be different from what the photos make them look like. I'd also pay close attention to shipping and returns. If the store ships internationally, returning something that doesn't fit or isn't what you expected could be more complicated or expensive than you think. So, is Emily Carter Manchester a scam? I wouldn't automatically say that without stronger evidence. But I also wouldn't trust the marketing alone. Check independent reviews, company information, payment protection, and the refund policy before buying. Overall, the products may look tempting, but I'd do some research first rather than making a purchase based purely on the website's photos or discounts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.